Have you ever wondered what happens when two massive galaxies collide in the vast expanse of space? It's not just a simple crash, it's a cosmic dance of destruction and creation that unfolds over millions of years, reshaping entire star systems and giving birth to new celestial formations. This phenomenon, known as galactic cannibalism, is one of the most spectacular and violent processes in our universe, and it's happening right now, even to our own Milky Way. The concept might seem straightforward, one galaxy consuming another, but the reality is far more complex and fascinating. When galaxies merge, we're not just talking about stars colliding. We're witnessing the interaction of countless solar systems, massive black holes, and enormous clouds of gas and dust, all performing an intricate gravitational ballet that can span billions of light years. Picture this: two massive spiral hundreds of billions of stars slowly approaching each other through the cosmic void. As they draw closer, their mutual gravitational attraction begins to distort their elegant spiral arms, creating long, luminous bridges of stars between them. The smaller galaxy, unable to resist the gravitational pull of its larger neighbor, begins to be torn apart. Its stars are stripped away, forming spectacular streams and tails that stretch across millions of light years of space. The gas and dust between the stars collide and compress, triggering the birth of new stars in brilliant bursts of creation amidst the destruction. The process is happening closer to home than you might think. Our own Milky Way is currently in the process of consuming several smaller galaxies, including the Sagittarius dwarf spheroidal galaxy. The remnants of past galactic meals can still be seen in the form of stellar streams, rivers of stars that wrap around our galaxy like cosmic serpents. But the most dramatic event is yet to come. In approximately 4.5 billion years, the Milky Way will collide with our nearest large neighbor, the Andromeda Galaxy, in what astronomers have dubbed the Great Collision. This cosmic cannibalism isn't just a random act of violence, it's a fundamental process in the evolution of the universe. Through these mergers, galaxies grow larger and more complex. The material from consumed galaxies doesn't simply disappear, it becomes incorporated into the larger galaxy, contributing to its mass and changing its structure. The supermassive black holes at the centers of the merging galaxies eventually coalesce, creating even more massive black holes that influence the evolution of their host galaxies. The evidence of these galactic feasts is written in the stars themselves. Astronomers can identify stars that originally belonged to consumed galaxies by studying their chemical composition and motion. These stellar fossils tell us stories about ancient galaxies that were devoured billions of years ago, leaving behind only these scattered remnants as testimony to their existence. The Andromeda Milky Way collision will be spectacular, but don't worry about Earth being destroyed. The vast distances between stars mean that actual stellar collisions will be rare. However, the merger will dramatically reshape our night sky. Over millions of years, the two spiral galaxies will distort, forming a massive elliptical galaxy that astronomers have already named Milkomeda. This cosmic cannibalism has profound implications for our understanding of galaxy evolution. Through computer simulations and observations of distant galaxy mergers, scientists have discovered that these collisions play a crucial role in determining the shapes and sizes of galaxies we see today. The largest galaxies in the universe, known as giant ellipticals, are thought to have formed through multiple mergers over billions of years. The process also helps explain one of the biggest mysteries in modern astronomy: how supermassive black holes grew to their enormous sizes. When galaxies merge, their central black holes eventually combine, creating even more massive objects. This process, repeated over cosmic time, helps explain the existence of black holes millions or billions of times more massive than our Sun. But perhaps the most fascinating aspect of galactic cannibalism is its role in star formation. When galaxies collide, the compression of gas clouds can trigger intense bursts of star formation, known as starbursts. These episodes can create hundreds or thousands of new stars in a relatively short time, much faster than the normal rate of star formation in isolated galaxies. Some of the most luminous objects in the universe are galaxies undergoing these dramatic merger-induced starbursts. The future of our cosmic neighborhood will be shaped by these galactic encounters. After the Milky Way and Andromeda merge, the resulting galaxy will likely continue to consume smaller nearby galaxies, growing even larger over time. This process of hierarchical galaxy formation appears to be universal, occurring throughout the observable universe. Understanding galactic cannibalism has revolutionized our view of the cosmos. Far from being static islands of stars, galaxies are dynamic systems that grow, interact, and evolve over billions of years. The violence of these cosmic collisions leads to creation as much as destruction, spawning new stars and reshaping the architecture of the universe. As we continue to study these galactic powerful telescopes and sophisticated computer simulations, we're gaining new insights into our cosmic past and future. The story of galactic cannibalism is, in many ways, the story of the universe itself, a tale of constant change, where destruction and creation are two sides of the same cosmic coin. Looking up at the night sky, we're seeing just a snapshot of this ongoing process. The stars we see are participants in a grand cosmic dance that has been playing out for billions of years and will continue long after we're gone. It's a reminder of the dynamic nature of our universe and our place within it, inhabitants of a galaxy that has grown through cosmic cannibalism and is destined to participate in one of the most spectacular mergers in our cosmic neighborhood. Please hit like and subscribe. It will help me to create more videos like this. Thanks.